We'll guide you through how to enter and access BIOS settings in Windows 11 or 10. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you want to go and enter into the BIOS, most likely you're trying to go and change a setting, perhaps to do TPM or secure boot. It's quite a common setting you need to adjust these days to games, or there may be another reason. It doesn't matter, we're walking you through this step by step, and there are different ways you can do this. So what you need to do is watch this full guide, and you can then decide what way you want to go and try, and if one doesn't work, you can always go and try another. So without any further ado, let's go and get into this. So for the first way, what you want to do is you want to come down to the bottom, and you need to go and find the Windows Start button, like so. Now, what you want to do is you want to go and press on the power button like so, and we're going to go and shut it down like this. Go and wait for the computer to go and shut down. It shouldn't go and take long. Now, we'll just wait for that power button to go out. It's now gone. What we're going to do is go and turn it on. And then what you need to do is go and start pressing, in this case, the F10 key. On other computers, it could also be the delete key, the escape key, F2, F10, or F12. So this is F10 in this case, but it can vary a little bit on the key you need to press in order to go and get in here. So you can try researching that online or just try the different keys I mentioned there, and then hopefully we'll have to go and get access. That doesn't work, don't worry, we've still got another method. So here we are, we're now accessing them. Then what I can do is go and navigate here, but in this case, we'll go and get into the next method. Now for the next way, we're going to be using Windows settings. Things may look slightly different in Windows 10, so if you don't like this way, you can always go and use the final one. So what we can do is go and press the Windows Start button at the bottom. Then you want to go and find settings or search settings at the top. In here, you then need to go over to the left and you need to go and find the option for System. In System, what we then need to do is we need to go and scroll down and we need to go and find the option for Recovery. As you can see here it is. Then you want to go down and what we're looking for is Advanced Startup. Restart your device to change startup settings, including settings from a disk or USB drive. So what you want to do is go and click there to the right, confirm a decision and press restart now. The process will then go and begin. Be patient while this goes and loads. This screen should open up and what you need to do is go and press troubleshoot. Then you can press advanced options and you need to press UEFI firmware settings. Click there and go and press restart. Now we're going to go and boot into the BIOS. Just gonna be patient while it goes and restarts again. It shouldn't go and take too long though. You can see we're now brought to the startup menu and we need to go and get to the BIOS setup. So what we need to do on this keyboard is go and press F10. So let's go and press that there and then it opens up the BIOS and we can go and navigate through it and do what we need to do. Now let's get into the next method to go and access and enter the BIOS settings. What you need to do is go down and you can find the Windows Start button and you can click there. Now, what you want to do is go over to the right and you can go and find the power button. Now you need to go and hold Shift. And while holding Shift, you need to go and press on Restart. So we can do that now. Then you can release Shift. Now go and wait for it to go and restart. And it should then go and enter into the recovery mode. And we'll guide you through from there how to enter the BIOS. And here we are, it's now loaded. So from here, you need to go and press Troubleshoot. Then you can go and press Advanced Options. And you want to find UEFI firmware settings. Click there and press restart. Now it's going to go and start again. The startup menu has now opened and what we need to do is go and find the BIOS setup and that is F10. So I can then tap that there and it'll go and open up and we can change what we need to.